Hey, it's demolition day. It's hectic. The kitchen's being ripped out. Everyone's here. It's all happening.
I've had one small panic attack and a blood nose.
Have you?
Yeah. The team has been extremely professional and efficient. I have spent a lot of time playing with the cat.
6 a.m. wake up, which is not usual for us. We're going to go to a cafe and let the builders do their thing.
Here we are with the Kaboodle raw board door range, which we've chosen because it lets you literally create your colour palette with the help of the Taubman's Colorsmith app. We ordered our sample pots from Taubman's, which they sent us, and this is the colour that we've named Oliver. And it's going to be on our kitchen cupboards. So really excited to crack the tops off these, stir them up and see how they look.
And there's a lot of doors to do, so we've got to get cracking.
Up to the first coat of Oliver already. That's
Very calming, I like it.
Yeah, nice. So join us for the next video to see how it all comes together.